A warm welcome to all our curious minds out there. You've tuned into our educational YouTube channel, where we unravel the mysteries of science in a fun and engaging manner. Our mission is to make learning science not just easy, but enjoyable too. Today, we are setting sail on a new adventure, exploring the intricate mechanisms of cell cycle and cell division. We'll journey through the phases of mitosis, meiosis, and much more. So without further ado, let's dive into the intriguing world of cells. Cells, the tiny building blocks of life, are constantly working. Part of their work involves a process known as the cell cycle. Now, imagine a bustling city that never sleeps, where the buildings, our cells, are always under construction. The cell cycle is like the city's blueprint, guiding each cell's growth, replication, and division. The cell cycle is divided into two main phases: interphase and the mitotic phase. Let's delve into these phases. Interphase is like the planning and preparation stage. It is further divided into three subphases: the G1 phase, where the cell grows and carries out its normal functions; the S phase, where the DNA is replicated, kind of like photocopying the city's blueprint; and the G2 phase, where the cell prepares for division by producing necessary proteins and organelles. Following interphase is the mitotic phase, where the actual construction or cell division happens. This phase includes mitosis, where the cell's nucleus divides, and cytokinesis, where the cell itself splits into two daughter cells. In mitosis, the replicated DNA is carefully divided, ensuring each daughter cell gets a complete identical set of blueprints. And in cytokinesis, the cell's cytoplasm is divided, creating two separate entities, each ready to start their own cell cycle. So you see, the cell cycle is an intricate dance of growth, replication, and division. Now that we've understood the cell cycle, let's move on to the mitotic phase and explore mitosis. Mitosis is the process where a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells. This isn't a simple split, but a series of carefully orchestrated stages. We start with prophase. The cell's genetic material contained in the nucleus condenses into chromosomes. The nuclear envelope disappears and the mitotic spindle, a structure made of microtubules, begins to form. Next comes metaphase. The chromosomes line up along the middle of the cell, guided by the mitotic spindle. These chromosomes are now ready to be split into two groups. Anaphase follows, where the chromosomes are pulled apart by the spindle fibers. Each half is drawn to opposite ends of the cell, ensuring each new cell will have a complete set of chromosomes. Then we enter telophase. A new nuclear envelope forms around each set of chromosomes. The chromosomes begin to spread out and the spindle fibers dissolve. Finally, we reach cytokinesis. The cell's cytoplasm splits, creating two separate cells. Each of these daughter cells has an identical set of chromosomes to the original cell, and that's how a cell divides itself during mitosis, creating two identical daughter cells. But what about when cells need to divide differently, like for the creation of sperm and egg cells? Enter meiosis. Unlike mitosis, which results in two identical cells, meiosis is a type of cell division that gives rise to four unique daughter cells. It's crucial for sexual reproduction as it halves the number of chromosomes in each daughter cell. This is essential to ensure that when sperm and egg combine, the resulting offspring has the correct number of chromosomes. Meiosis consists of two rounds of division: meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, each with its own prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. These stages mirror those in mitosis, but with some key differences. For instance, during prophase 1, homologous chromosomes pair up and exchange genetic material in a process called crossing over. This results in the genetic diversity we see in sexually reproducing populations. In meiosis, a single cell gives rise to four unique daughter cells, each carrying half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. So there we have it, the fascinating journey of cell division. We've traversed the cell cycle, explored mitosis and meiosis, and delved into the stages of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis, and karyokinesis. These processes are the very fabric of life, the unseen dance of cells that keeps us and all living things alive and thriving. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging science content. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive